Oh, it crashed. All right, so we've had fun. The truck's actually done really well. It's actually been a blast out here at the skate park. I've been really, really happy with it. But Logan says before we're done, we have to do a full send. And so this is gonna be, an utter full send, and we'll see if we can control it. We'll see if we can land it. Logan driving, this is gonna be pretty cool. Whenever you're ready, sir. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! It landed completely on the body, lived. It turns out it's knocked the ESC and the receiver loose. You missed everything. All right, so that was pretty awesome actually. So I mean, I'll be honest, like Granite Voltage, we bought it for, what is that, like the $60 or $70 range. We bought this truck. Now yes, we're driving it out here today with a brushless system and all that we put in it, but we put the cheapest setup in it possible, and it lived. I mean, maybe there's a gear just trying to go bad or something. You can hear a little bit of a click, but like, we full on sent it. We had a blast day out here at the skate park, and it utterly lived. If you are thinking about getting into hobby grade RC, dude, this thing will do it. So I am very, very impressed. Next to the video that you're going to see about this truck is going to be a giveaway. So hey, we really appreciate your support. Thank you guys. We'll talk to you next time. Goodbye.